So yes, in the order I wrote. Okay, so the first one creates a virtual environment so that it's completely isolated, and we can remove it later. It will be clean on your computer. The second activate this virtual environment so that it's available, and the third one
Uh,
install the dependencies. Yeah.
Source will not work on this PowerShell. It is some scripts bin something.
Okay.
No, those exact commands will not work. Though the first
Let
one
me
will work maybe.
try them.
I think your commands, Tanura, should work without the UV prefix, basically, right?
Yeah, it should, but I have not tried it exactly.
So, but here it may be just faster than install UV
I
on
don't know.
Windows.
He's
I don't know.
writing installing build dependencies.
Yeah, that's expected here. So UV would be faster to do that. That's about
Yeah.
it.
We are live, by the way.
Did
Oh,
it do a 360?
Yes, it did.
I was trying to like not install Claude Code for whatever reason. I was like, oh, I'm dealing with ChatGPT, but the terminal, I have a big affinity for the terminal type of style engagement, but I need like tabs or something, so I have some visual cues about all the conversations I've had.
Hmm.
I do feel like Neo in the Matrix now. Download this skill, connect the server, get me a gun.
But it's interesting that Neo didn't tab between skills.
Yeah, that is interesting. He should have had 1,000 tabs open, right?
Yeah.
Anuraj, where are you based, by the way?
I'm in northern part of Finland in a city called Oulu.
Oh wow.
Ah,
Do you ever come
yeah,
down to mainland Europe?
yeah. Like before COVID, used to go quite often, but these days, so my work, a lot of my work can be done remotely.
Did
So
you?
only for vacations these days. But previously,
Yeah.
like I used to come down often.
Why did you move to Finland?
Uh, I never planned to stay so long. So initially, like I came to study, and then I thought
Uh,
I'll do my PhD. But then there was always some reasons to stay back, and now I stayed so long here.
and
Like
and
I'm
and it feels like it. Are you working on this project full time, basically, because you're moving very quickly?
no, this is just weekend work, weekend and
Yeah,
evenings.
that's
So
what
when
I.
I get,
Yeah.
so you can go really fast with Cloud Code. Like
Yeah.
people are just not aware of it. Like none of the
Well,
code I've written it myself. I'm just like
yeah.
riding riding a car or like rocket ship or something.
Yeah, please build me a rocket ship that relands itself. Thank you. See you on Monday.
And
The that's kind of funny because I'm getting the sense. So a couple of things is people are building really insane technical stuff, which I consider this is like pretty insane, right? And then the second is um, I've spoken to a couple of people who have also been looking at like the work that I'm doing, and they're like, "Oh, do you do this full time?" I'm like, "Oh no, this is like the 30 minutes every couple days that I've been like prompting some stuff into existence. I mean, it still accumulates to like 10 hours a week, right?
yeah,
But it just feels like pretty insane the progress.
yeah, but like for me, it would be like 20 hours, evenings plus weekends, and then,
Yeah.
but this is with the rate limits, by the way. So I I
What?
generally work if I'm producing new code, then I use Opus with high reasoning, so it
Yeah.
finishes us up the token quite fast. So then I have to wait for like 4 5 hours for the next session. So
So
then
You
I
next
can't.
session.
go and do my daily
What
stuff.
what
So you
if
have to work
you do a bit of crowdfunding to get some to get you off of that rate limit?
Well, Venkat was talking about some spin-off, but yeah, I don't know if it's needed right now. So this is like,
Anuraj, okay, he finished installing.
like what is the error? I cannot
No, it's
see.
because he can't do the source command.
Yeah, it cannot. So you have to. What is the command? Uh, it's like there is a PowerShell script inside that venv folder, virtual environment folder. You have to activate that. So just type in dot backslash. It's Windows. It's this is forward slash,
Yes.
and then whatever the name of the virtual environment folder. What is
Bin
venv?
slash activate.
Yeah, venv. No. It's not bin. It's not bin. You have to go first into that venv. Wait. I'll type it.
No, it's okay.
V-E-N.
No, we have it.
Not. It's not in bin. It's some scripts. For Windows, it's scripts. The folder structure is different in Windows. Capital S and then tab. Press tab. Yeah.
Yeah.
Backslash activate dot ps1. Dot ps1. Yeah. Use that.
No.
What happened?
Running script is disabled on this system.
Yeah. So that's why the open code was also not working.
You might.
It looks like some safety feature inside Windows that you have to explicitly allow to run, maybe. Okay.
Yeah,
They're
it's
trying to
not.
protect you. They're trying to protect you.
Yes. Any chance that for you to have the Windows subsystem for Linux, the WSL?
I have it.
Yeah. So
So
maybe
let's
we could
use
work
that.
there.
Yeah.
See it here on the bottom.
Yeah. That's
But then can open code desktop access inside the
Yeah.
WSL? I don't know whether it's a virtual machine or
Yes,
something
it
with
can.
isolated. Okay. Cool.
Okay, so all over again?
Yes. Now Eric's command should work as it is in this.
Okay, where am I now? Okay, which command should I use?
Yeah, Grover MCP. The commands Eric wrote. Because now
These.
you are in. Yeah. Yes.
Oh wait, but the open code won't be able to access it, yeah?
No, but we can install open code inside this.
Okay, so Python isn't happy.
No, but you have
Oh,
not done.
I version
Pip.
2.7. It's okay.
No.
No, you will need the 3.3.
Did you do uh, Python minus M venv?
Okay, I have Python 3.5. Will it work on 3.5?
I don't know, but let's check.
Okay, so Python 3.
Minus M venv.
Yeah.
And then source venv. Okay, and then pip install that.
can't do it because what's he supposed to be looking at? He can't access the directory now. I have to clone.
Let's just install UV. It might be just better. You run this command. I'll show you the command. Just run that command.
Yeah. Okay, it's just updating pip from version 8 to version 26. Okay. Yeah. Everything's installed. So now what?
Now UV sync. UV space sync.
What?
You have to be in the folder which you cloned. Or you clone it again here.
I'm sorry?
Okay. Yeah. No, not this. You have to clone it again.
Okay, where do I clone it?
Just clone it here. On the previous folder. CD.
Yeah, but I have to.
No, it's that one.
Where?
On the central pane, you see YaRG Rover 8004 MCP.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. On the previous folder. This is inside the virtual environment folder.
Not inside the virtual environment?
No. It's not very clear, like what folder you are in.
I'm in the projects folder.
Yeah, so just clone it there. Yeah.
Okay.
Now go inside that YaRG Rover 8004 MCP.
Yeah.
And then UV sync. UV space sync.
Well, he's definitely installing stuff. Yeah, but package 3 out of 122. Maybe we should talk about something else meanwhile. So what exactly am I installing on my computer?
Right now you're installing a package manager for Python, and then it's installing the dependencies, Python dependencies for our project.
So it's basically, I mean, I don't know how familiar you are with coding, but it's like this infinite black hole of dependencies. Is like, and the first time that you install dependencies, it's kind of wild. The second time doesn't look as bad. Anuraj, do you mind if I share my screen? I want to show you something on Claude Code because I feel like I'm potentially doing something wrong.
Rafa, can you just wait 1 minute? He's about to be finished.
Yeah, and then after the installation, post the. Yeah, you install OpenCode. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sorry. So this is slow. Rafa, yeah, why don't you take over now?
Okay. Sure. Okay, can you see my screen?
Rafa, can you? I'm sorry, Anwar.
Wait, where is it?
Can you see my screen or no?
Yeah.
Not yet, because it's a managed system, so Anuraj has to choose whose screen is showing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Wait.
So you're potentially sharing your screen.
Remove.
All right. There we go.
Is this
Can you
yours?
see? Can you
Yeah.
see my terminal with Claude Code
Ye-
here at the top?
Yeah. Can you like make the font Control plus? It will make the font Control and plus. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, something that's a little bit interesting was that, like, when I asked to do like a movement, it like asked to run this command, but I feel like yesterday it didn't do this. It just said like move right.
Yeah. I think. Can you move it back? So I think this was some sort of context error inside the model itself. So like
Yeah.
sometimes it tries to find something else, but if you always specify Tumblr in the uh, like uh, like when you are typing some questions or something, and if you write Tumblr, it will always pick up the correct MCP tool.
So basically, Rafa is sending a command to an AI, which is figuring out how to translate it into a command for Anuraj's Tumblr.
Yes.
Yeah, but see, look at this.
Okay.
Do you see how
This
it
is
looks
something
weird?
new.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's basically
It's running
the
it via the terminal instead of via the
yeah,
tool.
yeah. So I think like what it's getting confused because like the movement tool only has like four parameters: front, back, left, right.
Yeah, but here it said like, this is what I said.
Can you
Can you
move the
move?
tool?
Can you use the tool to move Tumblr right?
Uh,
And
uh,
then it read the MCP file,
so it's yeah,
but then it like did something weird. You see? And
yeah.
it
Actually,
that.
Maybe the word tool is too generic and it's reading something else into it.
Like, can we say what would be Anuraj? What would be the
I just try to move the tumbler forward.
I think it has some context poisoning right now. Like it's like the context is wrong. See?
Yeah. So this I have not seen before.
All right.
Your baby's
Let's see.
growing up.
Maybe without.
Just call the MC. Can you just call the MCP tool?
You call the MCP tool and the action for the Tumblr board, not on the MCP tool. It's basically creating a new approval session every time.
I'm getting the.
Oh, isn't it exposed to me in this session? I configured for the clock so that they aren't injected into my.
So I might have closed, but I'm getting your request. I can see your request. Can you type in /MCP? /MCP, yeah. Yeah, so I think I might have like shut down the server here. So what happens is it's like a single session. So if I
Oh,
shut down the server here, and then it will not be the MCP servers have failed, so it won't connect
okay.
reconnect automatically. So you have to exit. I don't know why. So you just exit slash exit, and then Claude minus C space minus C. Yeah,
What is
this is
this?
continuing. This is continuing the previous session. Now
Okay.
just type in.
Oh,
Yeah,
there
so
we go.
yeah, so I might have like shut down the server for some checks, and then it disconnected the MCP connection. Uh, I don't
Oh,
know why
here
the
we go.
session doesn't continue, but yeah, that is how it is right now.
There we go.
So you can ask like, is the Tumblr online? Move the Tumblr forward.
Oh,
Yeah,
there we
it's
go.
moving.
Now,
Uh,
it worked.
Wait, like I'll share my screen to show you what's happening. Uh, Now you can play and watch.
Yeah, there we go. All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hmm.
Now let's set it up for you, Mayor.
I really think we should reach out to some robotics teams at universities and have them register their funny robots. Like you could run a type of like competition, like for best remote, like I don't know,
Yeah. So there's
dance.
something. Yeah. Like yeah, people could register their robots, and then we could have like what is it? What is it called? There's robos. There's a company that runs a server, but it's a centralized server where you basically you can register you buy robot from them and then register on their site. So it's not a decentralized solution they have like we do.
Yeah, it definitely
Okay,
feels like the decentralized solution is like a key value proposition where you like I mean it's also a bit dangerous, right? Like, but I think that's part of the fun.
okay, open code. Just type open code. Oh, wait. Wait. Not found. Why?
I don't know.
Should have installed it.
He
Oh, so
did install it.
yeah, it's not in the paths.
Ah,
That's why.
he said it's in the
So
past. Successfully added it to path.
so you have to source the bash script. Source space uh tilde sign tilde sign. What's the tilde? The
Yeah,
way,
yeah.
yeah. Slash dot bash rc. Yeah, now try open code.
But he's doing something. But by the way, I think we have to add sound effects. There's no point in making a robot move if you don't hear any clicks or something.
Okay, yeah. I think like your system is too old for this. So you basically need a newer WSL Ubuntu installed.
I
So I think
I
this is
do
like
have a newer one as well, but it's not going to fit in today.
that's fine. Uh,
Why can't I install glibc?
it's not that straightforward replacing that library. It's it will take some time. I've tried this, but like generally it's just easier to move on to the next. OS version.
Is there a way to use Docker or open code?
Yeah, you could do that, but then we have to start Docker installation now.
Unless you already have Docker, Mayor.
I have it on the Windows.
Yeah, that's okay because we just open.
Yeah, I also have Docker here on Linux.
I gotta
So
drop, guys.
Yeah.
okay. Good night.
Good.
Yeah, I'll continue texting you, Anuraj.
Yeah.
I'm quite keen to think about like maybe vibe coding an auctions process and auctioning off
Yeah.
the time of your.
So just let me know like what kind of hooks you might need. Then we can think together like how I could like provide you hooks to play with.
I'll do a spec first, and then maybe we can discuss the spec before we deploy and think about how to connect it. All right.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Cheers.
But
Docker. I've not set up like Docker compose file for this project yet.
okay, so how do I ask him for the Linux version?
libc for libc.
What is my Linux version?
LSB underscore release minus A.
-16.
Oh, okay. This is quite old. Like 10 years old.
Okay.
Is this a Docker container?
I'm sorry?
Is it a Docker container?
I have no idea how Windows is.
No, the session, the shell session here is a WSL or a Docker container?
I think it's a regular shell session.
No, this is like a WSL, right?
Okay,
You
okay.
can see on the
The thing is that libc, the libc problem is just maybe because it's too old. On Ubuntu 16 is quite old actually. Huh? Okay.
It's very old. It's not supported anymore.
Yes.
No, but I have
So-
another Ubuntu here. Just a second.
Okay. Yes. So just in
I
parallel, I
have
was
Ubuntu
working.
18. Just a second. I have Ubuntu 18.
no, I
But
would
it's
prefer
quite-
like
It's quite old as well. I mean, at least 2022, I guess.
yeah,
I haven't seen the
22 or
libc
24.
version. The libc version, but with Docker, it could be pretty immediate. By the way. Huh?
Yeah.
So, but by the way, in parallel, I checked with open code and I made it work. Huh? I could find that the Tumblr is online to the MTP
Yeah.
server, and I'm not even using an online LLM.
Wait,
I'm
let
using.
me ask Claude here.
No.
Just
still have
open
no idea what to
open
do.
code's website on they might have something. This is some permission error. If you search Google, they will somebody else should have faced this. Not able to open session in open code GUI.
Well, it is a beta version. Corrupted session files, incorrect working directories, or backend service failures. No, this is a full-time job checking all of these options. He says the best thing to do is reset the saved state. Oh, it says I need the Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime.
Okay, so that's Windows specific, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this might be some sort of edge container or something. I don't know.
So weekend project.
Uh, but like you should be able to install. Do you have like Node installed on your Windows Node.js?
Yeah.
Uh, so open a PowerShell and then type npm -- version,
Why a PowerShell and not a?
because we will not Node npm. Yeah, so you have Node. So
Yeah.
exit it and then type this command. Uh,
He's thinking.
let's see if this works or not.
Eric, what you just wrote, does that mean that there's an advantage to having functions return both text messages rather than codes?
So sorry, I'm not sure to understand the question. I don't understand the question. What I sent
No,
you in the
because it
screenshot?
says I asked, and it answered that YaRG Tumblr is online.
Yes.
So was that a code that it got 53, or was it message online?
No, it returns a JSON file, and I think the
So a
LLM
text message.
So
Mm,
what you can
A text message.
my screen is an open code session. Okay. An
Yeah.
open code session is just a user interface, let's say,
Right.
and it needs to
Oh,
connect to an
I'm
LLM.
talking about the software that Anuraj wrote. That there's a value in the Anuraj's software giving verbose answers. Yeah, definitely.
Mhm.
JSON thing is a verbose answer. Okay, so what do I do now? It's added 3 packages.
just type in open core if it's starting in the command line or not. Let's see. Oh yes. Okay. Now it should work. Now
Just a
slash
second.
exit.
Now let's see that he actually answers the question. It's working very
But-
slowly. Why is it so slow?
But you will need to configure the MCP server, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
basically,
Okay,
you
so
can like
exit.
exit. Yeah. Slash exit.
Okay.
Eric, do you know who is building this big pickle model? I've never heard
Okay,
about.
here I am.
Building what? Sorry.
There is this big pickle models available in open code, right?
No, I don't.
By
I don't know that
so
one.
Okay, do I
yeah,
do
okay.
the curls again, Anuraj?
No. So go to the folder where you cloned the 8004 MCP repo.
The pound folder or the folder itself?
The YaRG rover, you cloned it somewhere.
Wait. I
Yeah.
no, wait just a second. Okay.
Now do dir. Let's see what's there inside. So
The
go to that.
8004?
Yes.
Okay.
And
Run open
how
code
to?
again.
No. Yeah, you could try that, or I'll give you a file. Wait, you can copy that there, and then it should. Or try. Uh, is there a virtual environment here?
What do you mean?
Just type in that Python, or you don't have UV, right? Wait.
It's
No.
about the commands we were talking about earlier. There were 3 commands: Python -m valve. Okay, that's about creating a virtual environment to
Second,
isolate.
I have Python 14. So Python -m then
No. Just install pip install minus UV. Pip install UV. Let's see if this works or not.
Okay.
Now UV space sync.
No. Well, it's in Python, so well, again, he's going to install these 123 packages.
It's generally quite fast. Or at least the value proposition of UV is that it's really fast.
It was fast before, but now he seems to be stuck at preparing. I don't know.
Is it stuck or what's happening?
It looks stuck. Wait, something happened.
Okay, something happened.
No. Now
No,
it's moving.
it's moving but slowly. But why is it taking so much time? What is this deslopify, Eric? What does
So
it
it's a
do?
project. It's a project I found earlier. It basically scores your code to tell you how much slop it contains.
How does
No,
it
but what is
know
the
what's up?
what is the criteria it uses?
Yeah, so you have to look into, because I don't agree with all criteria. Okay, so for example, there are four levels. Okay, and the worst level is only 4 times the slop score. While to me it should be kind of exponential. Such kind of things. Okay, so I think it's an interesting idea to perhaps automatically have a rough idea of
What can
how
you do about it? Okay, so that's
then,
slop.
after you have to unslop. Okay, but I guess it's a project
The
specific,
next
right?
project.
No,
It's like
generally
when
what
you
I
wash your car. Okay, when
Yeah.
you wash your car, depending whether it's mud or another problem, you will use a different kind of soap, right, or whatever,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah, but like what I generally do is like you can make these models sparse, so whatever with high reasoning, and then it basically finds faults in each other, and then you can like reduce the stuff, keep on reducing stuff. So that is what I do. So sometimes I use Gemini to check on Claude's code base or the other way. But like you can like mix and match. So that's what I do to basically reduce the extra, and then yeah, it reduces like quite a bit. But if you use the high end reasoning on Opus, it already produces quite good code. Well, is this a network drive?
No,
It's like a C, like on the computer itself.
it's a flash drive.
That's why it is slow.
It was
It's
very
not.
fast before.
Hmm.
Okay, but it's not moving.
Well, if you have the folder on the C drive, it will move way faster. In the blink of your eye, it will move. It should move like that.
Well, is building now, it says. No, it's just preparing them. This will take forever. Won't we
No,
shouldn't wait too
if
much.
you have to move the project folder to somewhere faster.
Okay, so basically I have the MCP installed 3 or 4 times on my computer and none of them works.
Yeah,
Is that correct? Okay, but at least I have open code that,
open code. Yeah.
right? I can just open a window. So what can I do with open code?
You can directly uh, place this URL of the. You don't need to discover it. Discovery is just like the first time you do. So you can
So
ask it to write. Wait, I'll give you the file itself.
what's Big Pickle?
It's a model.
Yeah, but how good is it? On a open AI scale, how good is it?
Maybe 6, 7, I think.
No, the open AI only gets up to 5.2. If I compare it to ChatGPT, which
Okay.
one?
Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, if like Cloud Opus is 10 and 5.3 is 10, then Big Pickle might be like 6, 7.
Ask me
Minimax might be a little better, maybe 8 or 9.
So while we're discussing, I've done two things, Anuraj. So I created a script, a shell script, to configure open code automatically for the MCP servers, following your guidance, okay? But I implemented it as a script. There is a pull
Uh,
request for that.
no, there is
And
a
there,
script already. There is a script already.
what
okay,
what should I do with this file you just put here, Anuraj?
Just right, copy this and then go. Yeah, yeah, but you'll still need UV, or basically uh, go to any project folder in C file, in
Wait.
C
I
folder.
can't just copy it into here.
Yeah, but then like it will, yeah, just copy it there and then tell it to add this as MCP server. It will work. It will place it in the global folder, but it's fine. Just paste it there and tell I want these MCP servers.
Trying to.
Yeah, so on Windows it also escapes uh, the
Copy
paste
that.
copy commands. That's the problem.
So, sorry, but for what you've shown here on the in the chat, I wrote a script that automates adding that to the open code configuration.
Yeah, yeah, I have that already. I have that in the
But it's
discover
not. It's
script.
not. Is it in the repository?
No, if you type discover.py minus minus help, it
Yeah.
will show you how to add that MCP.
Okay.
So there is a script. Yes, yesterday Rafa was also having these same problems.
I see.
So
Okay.
I just added a script. So if you type discover.py minus minus help, it will show you how to add. So you can either scope it to the project or have it as a global MCP. Did
Anurag,
it
so he said, what do I want to do? Review it, help me set it up, something else?
set it up? Set it up.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes, it's doing something, right?
Will it work on Windows? Your script?
I didn't test it.
Okay. Because I created another PR where I tried to convert the code to Windows, but I have no way to test. So I was hoping that
Yeah,
we could have time today.
yeah, I can test it on Windows too, but it's Python. Like if you have like UV and Python installed, uh, it generally works on all three platforms.
But well, here there is something specific to open code or cloud. Okay, so where it's installed, and then I think it's system dependent. Okay.
Okay. Yes, that's true. Yeah, we'll have to test it on the three platforms.
Mhm.
I can check it. Yeah.
Okay. He says the beer token 123 QWE is a placeholder.
No, it's not a placeholder. It's just random thing for just the
Okay.
basic thing.
So in any case, he did
Yeah.
it. Now what?
Now you might have to /exit and then start the.
Why?
Because I don't know, the MCP servers don't continue session. At least in Cloud Code it doesn't. So just exit and then continue the session. /exit and then open code -C. It will continue the session.
I'm sorry, it will be my turn to leave. Okay. But there is something that if it helps, okay, there is a PR where
Yeah.
there is a PS1 a PowerShell script that may help into configuring. Okay, I don't know if there is a chance to test. If it's not useful, maybe we can chat later to see
Yeah.
whether it's usable. Okay.
I think it connected to my MCP server. Just ask if the Tumblr is online. It will tell you because it connected.
Yes, the Tumblr is online, but he could be
So
elucidating that.
no. So now you can check. You can try to move the Tumblr. Move it right.
Yeah. Well, I told him to move it a bit. Yeah. Wow. Wow, this is
Okay.
very impressive.
Now move it forward and then make it inside the camera view.
That is very nice.
Yeah, so move it back a little bit.
And this is all running on my computer, right? The model. Because the model is on the cloud.
on
The
the
model
cloud.
is on the cloud, but yeah, it's interpreting it for you and then calling the local. I don't know how the pipeline is like. Where is the MCP server called from?
There are
So Mayor,
no sound effects.
on your machine, you only have open code that is working right now. Okay, so it's calling the model called Big
No,
Pickle,
that's
which
okay.
is okay.
I understand.
No, but the tool calling happens locally, right? So the MCP tool calling is happening locally, I guess.
Yeah.
The model is just giving you the exact parameters for the tool call, and then OpenCode calls the MCP tool call locally, I think.
It's nice that I can tell him in degrees and radians.
But actually it doesn't work because like if you ask what kind of movements are possible, it will tell you like forward, backward, left and right. So that
No, but I
degrees,
told him turn 1 radian and he calculated and he did it, whatever that means.
yeah, but that is actually not 1 radian because there is only one kind of left movement. It's like moving for 1 second. That is the movement it has. So although it might be calculating something, but the actual MCP tool call doesn't
Yeah.
allow it.
This is like playing logo. Can you attach a pen to the tail?
For what? For drawing. Yeah.
Okay, he moved out of the screen. The magic hand. Eric, you said you had to go, but I think you're fascinated.
I know. I'm glad that to see it work. For me also, I just tested the connection. I haven't tried to concurrently move it because we haven't maybe tried race
The-
conditions yet. Okay.
yeah, I was thinking like what happens if two people are trying to move, but maybe like the one overrides the other.
Okay,
So I was
Eric, I'm
thinking,
giving it a command. Just a second, I'm giving it a command to spin in place 5 times. So as soon as I press enter, you can write whatever command you want. Let's see what happens. It looks like it's sending the commands one at a time.
yeah, because it's the command tooling is like that.
No, it's fine. So
Sorry,
I
I'm
didn't.
I'm running, but see you next week.
bye.
Okay, see you, bye.
Cheers.
Okay.
Okay, Anurag, thank you very
Okay.
much.
Yeah, but we need to set up that UV thing for you. So what you can do is try to
Why?
set up the
Here, it's working.
no, but like you were not able to discover the robots, right? So I gave you the MCP servers and you posted it. So what that UE and Python environment will allow you is like just type in the script, and then
Ah,
it will find all the robots on Ethereum blockchain, and then you can choose which one you want to
yeah,
control.
that
So
is a
right now there
critical.
is only one robot on the blockchain, but like
That
eventually
doesn't
there
matter.
would
That's a critical
yeah
feature. I agree.
yeah.
Okay. So
Okay,
have
thank you.
a great and stay warm.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. See you next week.
Bye.